Hey guys, welcome into my 96 Ford E350 Club Wagon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the headliner because I have the glass guy coming out tomorrow and I want to save a little bit of money and kind of just get everything taken off so it's really easy for him. And this should pretty much be the same from 92 to 96 Econolines because they changed the design a little bit after that, but it still might be somewhat similar. I really don't know. Make sure to wear some safety glasses, keep your eyes safe, but let's go ahead and get started. Also, by the way, I have already removed the rear one. I just trashed it because I'm not gonna need it. We can start out with the A-pillar trim, and for these you literally just pull on them and they come out the bottom like that. Super easy. Next, you may want to remove the B-pillar trim. It might be possible to kind of wiggle it out of there, but this just pulls off as well, super easy. And I've already got the other side off. Next, we may want to pull this weather stripping off. Just a little bit on the top there, on each side. Next, let's go ahead and remove these sun visors. And for the clips, there's just a single Phillips screw behind it. Next, each visor has 3 Phillips screws. Before we remove these clips, or you could actually just do this to begin with, is just remove this connector, and that goes up into the headliner. Now we just need to remove all of these Christmas tree clips, and I like one of these bigger trim tools. Link is in the description. Pops out. And then the headliner will drop down. And that's it, guys. Super simple. If it's going to be off for a while, be sure to stick these back on. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you later. Peace out.